Well, hi everybody, Castaway Girl 7 again, and welcome to part 2 of the unboxing that I started yesterday. And let's see what this is right up front. Wow, crystal balls, necklace. Wow, look at that, you can see through it. Let's pick up something. Here's something with coins. Look, you can see them magnified through it. Pretty cool. Does it have a name? No, it has a nice double chain. And it's probably about 24 inches long. It's too long for this lady, but I'm going to put it on there anyhow because it's really cool. And I'm going to say, ooh, that's nice. I'm going to say $5. How about that? That's tremendous. Tremendous. And speaking of coins, what is this? Necklace. It's like little coins. Little coins. Let's go this way. Oh, there's how it looks. Oh, cool. It's kind of like that, what is that? I don't know. Is that Egyptian or, I don't know what it looks like that. And it's, got a extender, no name. I'm gonna say $3 on that. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's nice. And what is this? Ooh. This is... Okay, I finally got it untangled. Oh, it's really cool. It's very tiny, goldish seed beads of different sizes. And there's a whole bunch of strands. I'm not going to count them. And there's how it's held together. It's got a, I guess, and they're in, look at that, how it goes down into layers. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm going to say $3 on that one, too. Wow, I don't know. That's pretty neat. And what is this little guy here? Look at him. This is a brooch, a pin, and it's a sparkly with stars on him. Is he supposed to be like a constellation, or is he just a moose with stars? I don't know. See the blue and the shiny enamel? And we'll turn it around. There's the back. It's just metal on the back. Somebody made this, but very cool. $1. What is this blue thing back here? Oh, here's some art glass. Oh, isn't that pretty? I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's pretty. There's the back. And it's on a chain that is, does it have a tag? No. This is probably artisan art glass. And they just put a regular silver chain on it. I am going to say $3. Okay. What is this? Oh, look at this. This is a little gold chain all by itself. Why is it all by itself in this bag? Oh, it's got a tag on it. Tag. Let me tell you who it is. Okay, it's Cookie Lee. Cookie Lee, she makes all kinds of fancy jewelry. I've never seen just a chain. This is very unusual. It's just a plain gold chain, about 16 inches long. And with a tag, and it's adjustable. It can be made to 18, I guess. And $1. Since it's just a plain chain. And what is this? Look at this. Look at this bracelet. What is that? Somebody made this too. This is I'm getting into the artsy section, I guess. These are like crystals, and they have a toggle clasp, and they're beaded closure. Let's see what size it is. It's a not quite a 7, a 6 3/4, and it does not stretch, so you cannot. And oh, and here's the inside. Look at the work they did. All that beading is holding those crystals on. Isn't that interesting? I'm gonna say, ooh, how about $4 on that one? That's pretty nice. Here's another piece of art glass, it looks like. Look at this. Heart. White and red, and white on the back. It's not signed. It's on a leather cord, a black leather cord. Let's see. Is that... Yeah, it's kind of worn. I think you would need to restring it. I'm going to give you a screaming deal, $1. And you're just buying, really, you're buying the heart. Boy, my brain is clogged. My husband is doing somewhat better, but he had a little setback. And we saw the neurologist, and we're trying to get his meds straightened out. And this won't open up. Oh, dear. I'm going to show them to you through the bag because I can't get the bag open and I don't want to spend time. These are clips, and these are faux turquoise. There's the back. And I'm going to say, ready? $1. Woohoo. And another gold chain. What is this? This is a snake chain. Really shiny. Very long. I think it's... Does it... No, I think it... Does it say something? It looked like Korea or something, but it's probably... Oh, I'm thinking... A lot of necklaces. This is probably 24 inches long. And it is, like I said, it's just a costume. It's not gold. At least I don't think it is. Oh, dear. Okay, I was saying, I think it's not gold, but let's see. Ooh. It's not magnetic. What does that mean? What does that mean? Do you think that's gold and it's not marked? Okay, I'll get back to you on this one. It's really pretty. That's a nice chain for any type of pendant. Or if you have a cross or whatever. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. I had something like this a long time ago. Not exactly the same. Look at this. This is like the crazy mixed up necklace. Okay. Start off here. We got some kind of okay, lobster claw clasp. And you come this way, and there's these blue plastic flowered beads. And then there's all kinds of charms. I don't know if they're tangled. They're supposed to be all together. But there's what is that? Is that a bug? I don't know. And then there's some flowers hanging down. And oh, that's crazy. The day is this day is a gift. Yes, it is. I agree with that 100%. I just want to make sure. I was wondering if it was silver. There's a feather. There's just a whole bunch of charms all clustered together. And then if you continue this way, they just glued stuff. That's crazy. And there's some white beads and some gold links. And I don't know. That's really weird. I'm going to say $3 and give you a real screaming deal on that one. Here's another pair of earrings in a bag, and I'm going to show you what they are, and you can decide. They are dream catchers, and they have feathers dangling from them, and they're multicolor See the iridescent colors on the actual catcher? And they're pierced. Probably about 2 inches long. $1. Getting down to the nitty gritty. Gotta keep moving. I think that's an earring all by itself, it looks like. Oh, look at this brooch. A brooch. We haven't had a brooch like this. This is pretty. Very pretty. Oh, hit you again. There's the back. It's kind of old. No signature that I saw on a first glance. I'm going to say $2 for the brooch. And I see 2 copper things, but you know what, guys? I'm having a copper show. I'm going to throw them over my copper pile. Sorry. I hope you didn't want copper. I just realized that. And this last piece. Wow. Is this somebody? Or is this, no, that's just a black bead. Look at this. This is unusual. This is gray velvet with gold links that have rhinestones on the sides. They're long links. And isn't that unusual? Wow. That's really cool. And it is probably, oh, I don't know, about 18 inches long. So can you remember all these? This one's really neat. The magnified glass crystal balls. I don't know if they're glass. They're probably, I think they're lucite. And this is cool. And I didn't give you a price on this, did I? $5. Okay, that's it. And part 2 is done until the next box arrives. Oh no, oh look, I missed something. What are these? Wow. They're actually pink, but on the camera they look white. Can you tell? Next to my gloves, maybe you can see. These are, they're small, and then, because there's the clasp. Oh, this is old. Is this magnetic, or is this, I don't know. Oh, it's a screw. I'm not going to do it. It's a screw closure with brass. Oh, I don't know what those are. I don't know, but there's 2 of them. Are they a pair? Oh, this one, look, has a barrel clasp. Well, that's interesting. They have nice clasps, and one's longer than the other. So look at that. They're identical, but they have different clasps. This came from an estate, by the way, so someone may have had them restrung, or I'm going to check and see if they're milk glass. I will get back to you on these too, because milk glass is a little more desirable than just plain white glass. Anyhow, I'll get back to you on that, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check my shorts. There's a lot of good deals on those too, and those are on YouTube also. And I've been throwing in some AI to go with some of the pieces of jewelry. And they're pretty crazy, but it's fun. I'm having fun. So I hope you are too. And I'll see you again.